Hello and thank you for tuning in to Pilot Savvy YouTube video. My name is Chris, owner of Pilot Savvy. In this video we're going to discuss how to set the engines to start position without having to go through a long drawn out checklist. So it comes in handy when you're flying an aircraft that you're unfamiliar with or for some reason it's overly realistic in getting it started. One of the problems I ran into encountered that in is the diamond aircraft. There is a little trick to getting those started, and the diamond aircraft, it normally starts okay, but certain situations I think that it may be pilot induced. It doesn't start up the way it's supposed to. So what I do in that case is I set all the buttons, knobs, and switches to where they're supposed to go. Like here, I'm going to go ahead and do this. So this is X-Plane 11, by the way, a Diamond DA50 RG. For X-Plane 11, they have a version for, and they sent me a version free of charge. Those are nice people at Aerobask for if I want to upgrade to X-Plane 11, which I have not done yet. I've explained my reasons in other videos. It's my system upgrade. So I'm gonna lean over here and okay, gotta wait for that to go through its motion there. So I'm gonna just go up here to flight and start engines to running. And it's running. And let me do my brakes. I just hit a switch on my panel to do the brakes, but you want to be aware of that. No, I didn't turn that on. Didn't want it on. It for some reason. Oh, because the automatic, it probably brought everything up in the start position. So that's how you do that. It's quite simple there. And what are some other things? AI for aircraft. I'm going to stick to the subject at hand here. So so once that's started, it's good to give it an effort so that you can get a full effect of the checklist of the flight sim. Get yourself a checklist. You can probably easily find the PDF version online. Go through that process of manually restarting, and then if you have some problems, then you can use the method that I just showed you. Another thing, I like to have the engine running or a GPU connected so that I can conserve power. So those are some good reasons there. Of course, and if you want to go fly. Alright, well, so thank you for tuning in, and leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any questions, comments, leave a comment. And if you want to get notified of new release videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to Pilot Savvy. See you later.